In this video, I will help you find the best headphones for iPad Pro in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have AirPods Pro, best for great sound. When it comes to exceptional sound quality on your iPad Pro, the AirPods Pro stand out as the top choice. These sleek and wireless earbuds offer active noise cancellation, ensuring you dive deep into your music or videos without any distractions. The transparency mode lets you tune into your surroundings when needed, adding a layer of convenience. With the H1 chip, pairing them with your iPad Pro is seamless, providing a hassle-free listening experience. The AirPods Pro deliver a rich audio experience, whether you're enjoying your favorite tunes, engaging in a video call, or binge-watching a series. The snug fit of the AirPods Pro ensures comfort for extended wear, and their compact design makes them easy to carry around. Their intuitive controls allow you to adjust volume, switch tracks, or answer calls with ease. Overall, the AirPods Pro excel in sound quality, comfort, and user-friendliness, making them a fantastic companion for your iPad Pro. At number 4, we have JLab Neon Folding On-Ear Headphones, best for budget sound. Looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on sound quality? The JLab Neon Folding On-Ear Headphones might just be your perfect match. These headphones offer impressive sound performance without breaking the bank. With their on-ear design, they provide a comfortable fit and great sound isolation, allowing you to immerse yourself in your music or videos. The JLab Neon headphones feature a folding design, making them compact and easy to carry around. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply on the go, these headphones are a convenient companion. Additionally, the inline microphone lets you take calls with ease, adding to their versatility. Despite their affordable price tag, the JLab Neon Folding On-Ear headphones deliver clear audio with a balanced sound profile. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the quality of sound they offer, making them a fantastic choice for those looking for a budget-friendly yet high-performing audio solution. At number 3, we have Belkin headphones, best for Lightning connection. Pivoting from the budget-friendly JLab Neon Folding On-Ear headphones, the Belkin headphones stand out as the optimal choice for iPad users seeking a Lightning connection. These sleek headphones offer a seamless plug-and-play experience, directly connecting to your iPad Pro without the need for any adapters. The Belkin headphones deliver impressive sound quality, immersing you in your favorite music, movies, or podcasts with clarity and depth. With a focus on convenience, the Belkin headphones feature inline mic controls for easy access to hands-free calls and voice assistant activation. The tangle-free cord ensures hassle-free usage, perfect for on-the-go listening. Additionally, these headphones come with multiple ear tip sizes to provide a comfortable and secure fit for extended periods of use. Whether you're editing videos, enjoying a gaming session, or simply relaxing with some music, the Belkin headphones offer a reliable and high-quality audio solution that complements your iPad Pro experience. At number 2, we have Moshi Mithro headphones, best for USB-C connection. For iPad users seeking a seamless audio experience with a USB-C connection, the Moshi Mithro headphones offer a high-resolution sound solution tailored to elevate your listening experience. These sleek in-ear headphones not only provide crystal-clear audio, but also boast a built-in microphone for hand-free calls on the go. The USB-C compatibility ensures a quick and easy connection to your iPad Pro, eliminating the need for dongles or adapters. With the Moshi Mithro headphones, you can immerse yourself in your favorite music, podcasts, or movies with exceptional clarity and depth. The precision-tuned drivers deliver rich, vibrant sound across various genres, bringing your entertainment to life. The lightweight and durable design makes them ideal for daily use, whether you're commuting, working out, or relaxing at home. Experience the convenience of high-quality audio directly through your iPad Pro with the Moshi Mithro headphones. At number 1, we have AirPods Max, best for max iPad sound. Immerse yourself in a realm of exceptional audio quality with the AirPods Max, designed to elevate your iPad sound experience to new heights. These Bluetooth over-ear headphones boast a custom-designed driver that delivers rich, immersive sound, perfect for indulging in your favorite music, movies, or games on your iPad Pro. The active noise cancellation feature ensures that you can focus solely on the audio without any distractions, creating a truly captivating listening experience. With the AirPods Max, you can enjoy crystal-clear audio and deep, resonant bass that brings your content to life. The sleek design and premium materials not only offer durability but also add a touch of sophistication to your overall iPad setup. The seamless integration with Apple devices, including the iPad Pro, allows for effortless pairing and convenient control through Siri. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a movie buff, or a casual listener, the AirPods Max provide the ultimate sound quality for your iPad Pro, making them a top choice for enhancing your audio experience.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.